In order to edit the lock screen clock on POCO M8 Pro, first of all we can open Settings. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to Personalization. In this place you should be able to tap on the lock screen, and the first thing that you can do is you can actually scroll down in order to find a bunch of different presets which contain different lock screen clock styles. So this is how we can actually change the clock phase on the lock screen by first selecting one of these presets. As you can see, we have many different options to choose from, and then from there you can actually customize the clock. So you should be able to, for example, change colors in here. You can change the wallpaper, also apply wallpaper effects, and so on and so forth. And different lock screen phases contain different settings. So in this case, for example, I can actually tap on the clock and change the font. We can also find two different styles for the clock. We can also toggle the depth effect in some cases, and also we have the date and so on and so forth. But if we go for the standard preset, then in this case we have a couple of different options as well. We can still change the font in this specific case, we can edit the information that is listed in this section, and we can also change colors as well. So once you are done with these changes, you can just use Apply button in the upper right corner in order to, of course, save your changes. Subscribe to my channel.